Hey everyone, welcome back to The Mind Detective. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of human touch and its power to evoke goosebumps, shivers, and pure excitement. Have you ever wondered how to make someone's skin tingle with pleasure, leaving them breathless and wanting more? Well, wonder no more. We're about to reveal 7 powerful moves that are guaranteed to send shivers down her spine. 1. The inner thigh. Caress. This sensitive area is a powerful trigger for physical and emotional response. Imagine gently running your fingertips along the inside of her thigh, just above the knee. Pay close attention to her reactions. The slow, deliberate movement and the warmth of your hand will build anticipation and intimacy, leaving her absolutely mesmerized. 2. Sensual whispers. The soft murmur of your voice close to her ear can be incredibly arousing. Lean in, your breath brushing against her skin, and whisper sweet nothings or express your desires. This creates an intimate space, making her feel special and desired. 3. Light skin tracing. Lightly run your fingers over her arms, back, neck, or any area that responds well to touch. Imagine tracing delicate patterns on her skin, sending shivers down her spine. Focus on the quality of your touch and observe her reactions to turn this simple action into a profoundly intimate interaction. 4. The grazing kiss. Gently graze her lips with yours, barely making contact. This playful touch builds anticipation and intense moments of desire. Savoring the moment and enjoying the build-up makes the eventual full kiss even more powerful and satisfying. 5. Hair play. Running your fingers through her hair is a gesture that combines comfort with deep sensuality. Imagine gently combing your fingers through her locks, feeling the softness against your touch. This soothing and intimate act signals care and attention, making her feel cherished and desired. 6. The waist pull. Pulling her close by the waist is a direct and intimate move that shows your desire and physical interest. Imagine gently pulling her in close, your bodies connecting and feeling the warmth of her skin against yours. The heightened senses and physical closeness create a powerful emotional response, making her feel desired and cherished. 7. The face-holding kiss. Framing her face with your hands while kissing adds an intense level of intimacy. Imagine cupping her face, your thumbs gently brushing her cheekbones and deepening the kiss. This gesture communicates affection and reverence, creating a bond that is both tender and passionate. Remember, the key is to be gentle, attentive, and focused on creating a truly intimate experience. These moves are powerful tools, but always prioritize her comfort and respect her boundaries. So there you have it. 7 guaranteed moves to make her quiver with excitement. Remember, the key is to be gentle, attentive, and focused on creating a truly intimate experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content from The Mind Detective, and let us know in the comments below which move you're most excited to try.